the UK, small talk is common and essential. Small talk isn't taught in textbooks, but it is everywhere. And it's often how people decide whether or not they're comfortable with you. And so, since small talk is so essential here, I thought for this next shadowing video, we could focus on British small talk. Make sure you have a look at the other shadowing videos in this series if you haven't. Before we dive in, let me quickly remind you about the most effective ways of shadowing. Listen to me once as I say a phrase. The next time, repeat it with me. And try to repeat it with me, not after me. And the goal is not to just repeat the words. The goal is to copy everything. The speed, the rhythm, the intonation, everything. Essentially, you are going to disregard the meaning and try and just produce the sounds so that it is as similar as possible to the way I have said it. Today, especially, copy the attitude. Small talk has a particular energy. It's relaxed, it's light, not too serious. Today, I'll say it, you'll repeat it, and we'll build whole conversations of small talk together. Are you ready? Let's start with a common British greeting. Listen first. Ready? All right, all right. All right, all right. Here's something important. All right isn't really a question. You do not need to stop and evaluate how you are feeling. It simply means hello. So the answer should be short. It shouldn't be, well, actually, I've been a bit tired lately and my commute was a nightmare this morning, and suddenly you're in a therapy session. Instead, it should be this. Yeah, not bad. You? Yeah, not bad. You? Yeah, not bad. You? Again. Yeah, not bad. You? Now let's go over the full exchange. Listen first. All right? Yeah, not bad. You? Yeah, good, thanks. Now together. All right? Yeah, not bad. You? Yeah, good, thanks. Our pitch tends to be a bit higher when we are greeting someone. I don't know why. There we go. You have just completed your first British small talk exchange, and it's that simple. All right? Yeah, not bad. You? Yeah, good, thanks. Short and easy. For this next round, we are going to talk about the weather. Yes, because you cannot do a session on small talk, British small talk, without including the weather. Here's something interesting though. When British people talk about the weather, we're not just talking about the weather. What we're really saying is, I acknowledge you. It's nice that we both exist here. The weather is just the vehicle for that. Listen first. A bit chilly today, isn't it? Bit chilly today, isn't it? Notice something. There's no it's at the beginning. Just bit chilly today, isn't it? That is very casual and relaxed. Shadow with me. Bit chilly today, isn't it? Again, bit chilly today, isn't it? Remember, if this is too fast for you, you can always watch on half or 3/4 speed and speed it up later, okay? So feel free to slow it down if it's too fast. Are you ready for the response? Yeah, but at least it's not raining. Your turn? Yeah, but at least it's not raining. Yeah, but at least it's not raining. And then the other response, true, could be worse. Again, shadow with me. True, could be worse. True, could be worse. Now for the full exchange. Again, listen once, and then we will do it together. Bit chilly today, isn't it? Yeah, but at least it's not raining. True, could be worse. Bit chilly today, isn't it? Yeah, but at least it's not raining. True, could be worse. And again. Bit chilly today, isn't it? Yeah, but at least it's not raining. True, could be worse. Cheerful in the face of the miserable grey in the sky. Very British. The next scenario, imagine you are in an office at work. Someone passes you in the corridor. They don't want a full conversation. This is just a passing exchange where you acknowledge that the other one exists. So listen first. Busy today? Busy today? Busy today? And now for the answer. Yeah, it's been a bit mad. Yeah, it's been a bit mad. Watch how I am producing these sounds. Try and match everything. Yeah, it's been a bit mad. Yeah, it's been a bit mad. Mad here means hectic, not crazy. Very common in British office English. But if things are quieter, not too bad actually. Not too bad actually. Say it with me. Not too bad actually. Not too bad actually. And then the original person might respond, oh, same here. Same here. Same here. Again, full exchange, listen first. Busy today? Yeah, it's been a bit mad. Same here. Now with me. Busy today? Yeah, it's been a bit mad. Same here. Same here is useful. Same here. Conversation is complete. British efficiency. Now let's move on to a lovely cafe. This one might come from someone you don't know, a shopkeeper or someone working in a cafe, just someone being friendly. Been up to much today? Now with me. Been up to much today? Again, been up to much today? And it means, what have you done today? Have you done a lot? Have you done anything interesting today? But again, it is not inviting your life story. Your answer can be very simple, like this. Not really, just working. Not really, just working. Or, not a lot, to be honest. Not a lot, to be honest. And then the person might respond, oh, fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, ready for the full exchange? Again, listen first, then repeat with me. Been up to much today? Not really, just working. Oh, fair enough. Been up to much today? Not really, just working. Oh, fair enough. That was an easy and natural conversation. For this next one, we'll look at how to end the conversation. British people are very good at polite exits. Ending conversation in a graceful way is a natural part of small talk. Anyway, I'd better get going. Anyway, I'd better get going. Notice the anyway. That anyway signals the conversation is wrapping up. Anyway, I'd better get going. It's friendly, but it is a clear signal that the conversation is coming to a close. Another one, nice catching up, nice catching up, nice catching up. As in, it was nice to have a brief chat. Ready for the full exchange? And we'll use the 2 words we learned earlier. This is the full ending to the conversation. Right, I'd better get going. Yeah, same here. Nice catching up. And again, together. Right, I'd better get going. Yeah, same here. Nice catching up. A perfectly polite way to end the conversation. Now, let's piece some of those together into a full conversation. Are you ready? Listen first. All right. Yeah, not bad. You? Good, thanks. Busy today? Yeah, it's been a bit mad. Same here. And it's a bit chilly today, isn't it? Freezing, isn't it? Anyway, I'd better get back to it. Yeah, nice chatting. Now shadow with me. All right. Yeah, not bad. You? Good, thanks. Busy today? Yeah, it's been a bit mad. Same here. And it's a bit chilly today, isn't it? Freezing, isn't it? Anyway, I'd better get back to it. Yeah, nice chatting. For some homework, pick one of today's exchanges, just one, and say it aloud 3 times. Anywhere you like. In the mirror, in the car, in the shower, wherever you like. And then, when you get the chance, try it in real life. Busy today? Been up to much? Any one of those. And it's important you do try to use it because small talk only becomes natural if you actually use it in conversation. Tell me in the comments, where would you most like to practice your small talk? In a cafe, with a stranger, at work, where? Let me know in the comments if you would like another shadowing video, and if yes, whether there is a specific focus you would like it to have. To help with pronunciation, I have a Fluency booster. Details are in the description below, along with some free PDFs to help your learning. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and let me know if you do implement these exchanges in real life. I'd love to know. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.